Hi everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on day 5 of 8 earring tutorials, and this for day number 5 I'm using the April 2024 bead box from Dollar Bead Box, and I'm making these really cute flower earrings. I used the little flower beads and I thought they turned out so cute. They're really easy to make. So I'm just using a number 10 needle. I've got a reflection coming through here because I'm sitting at a different time in my bead room and I can't close that up. And I'm using this Wildfire Beadalon thread. And then I've been using black ear wires with my earrings that have black in them instead of using like, copper or silver or gold. I think they look prettier like that. So I'm using some of the number 3 fire polish beads. I'm using 3 of the flower beads. I'm using the faceted spinels, the jet, the 12.5-inch strand. Hold on, I have a few more of the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have the 2 to 2.5 millimeter faceted spinels. And then I have, what is this? The Drux, Czech Glass Drux, the 4 millimeter. And I think I got the blue luster. Okay, so yeah, it was the blue luster that I got. So, okay, we're going to start out and I'm going to do a Drux, a 3 millimeter fire polish, a Drux, and then one of the flower beads. Hold on one second, let me get this down here a little more. Okay, so then I'm going to repeat that. A Drux, a fire polish bead, and a Drux, and then another flower, and then a Drux, fire polish, Drux, and then the last one. Okay, so I'm going to bring all this down, and this is what it should look like. Let me turn those down. It should look like this. So now I'm going to tie this. Like that, and see how it makes the flowers kind of pop out? They're so cute. Then I'm going to do a double knot for the second one. Now, one thing I will say, some people like the satiny threads and stuff. I don't like them, but I think everybody's got their personal preferences. But I find that then when I go to tie knots, they don't stay because the thread is so satiny that it doesn't hold a knot. But yet some people love that. So I'm just going, this is just an easy pair of earrings. I'm going around again. And let me see. Okay, so here's this. So now I'm going to tie this one more time. We're going to do one. And then the second one is going to be the surgeon's knot, the double knot. 1 and 2. Okay. And I always like to take my bent chain nose pliers and just give it a little tug. I know some people, you can leave a little bit longer of a thread and then weave that back in, but I usually don't have a problem with these. I need to cut that a little shorter. There we go. I should have done that the first place, but I was busy talking. Okay. So now in the second one, we're going to be coming out of the flower. So this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, let me get my thread here. So we're coming out of the flower here right now. So then we're going to do, we're going to do a spinel, a fire polish, a check, a fire polish, and a spinel. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to just jump over all those beads and go through the flower again. So go through that one more time. So see how that lays like that then? So I have that. So then I'm going to do it again. The spinel, the fire polish, the check glass struck, the fire polish, and the spinel. And then just jump to the flower. So this is not a 2-hole bead. This looks so pretty like this. We're gonna do this one more time. Spinel, fire polish, check, fire polish, and the spinel. And then we're gonna jump up like that. We're going to go through there. Now I'm going to go through all of these one more time. Get this under here. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and go right through the flower and right through the other beads. I try to do this all the time just to reinforce everything. I think it's better, especially if you sell your jewelry. Last thing you want is somebody to buy earrings from you and they start coming apart. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, if you could see, I have coming out of the check glass struck, I have 8 of the spinels. I'm just calling them spinels. So I'm going to come up to here like this. So I'm coming out of this and I'm going to do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then I'm going to come back through the check glass, struck one more time to make that little hoop. Sometimes I'll just sew on a wire guard. Those are cute too. But I thought I would just stick with the all black here. And then I'm going through this again. Going through that. And then going through all of these one more time. Just get through to the spinel. And then it just makes that little hoop. I'm going to go around a little bit longer. So I reinforced that twice because you always want to do that. Okay. And then sometimes I'll take my round nose pliers, just kind of put it in there to kind of fix that. Okay, so now I'm going to go through all of these. I'm going to come out that spinel. Everything's set, and I'll do a couple ties throughout the earrings just because I think it just sets them up a little better. Okay. Do that. Then I'll do this again. I think these turned out so cute. I love that little flower in there. Okay. So I'm going to do one more double. Oh, okay, that was not smart. One more. It went through. Okay. Pull this a little better. There we go. Okay, now I'm just going to go through a couple of these and cut it. Okay. So now, cut that right there. And then I'm going to take my ear wire and attach that. And I'm going in the middle of each four, so it's right at the top. Okay. Did I get through there? Oh, then I did this. I went up to the wrong one. Okay. There we go. Okay, so there we go. So this is day number 5 of 8 of my easy earring tutorials. I mean, how cute are these with the little flower on them? These are a great little gift for somebody just to say thank you, or just for yourself. So yes, this was using the dollar bead box of April of 2024. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave the link to dollar bead box as well as coupon code below. And I will leave links to all of my social media, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook. If you would love to follow me, I would love that. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.